That's the light of the train at the caboose. Yeah, I guess he might be coming down. I hope. Unless he goes backwards like he did the last time. Yep, here it comes.
I was right, 8:22.
I know my stuff.
Take off, Eddie. I want to wave to the conductor. He's coming.
Wait till he gets to you, Harrison. Wait till he gets to you. Oh, he wasn't looking this way. He was looking straight ahead. He didn't see.
I think that guy looks for us. It's the same horn, huh?
Uh-huh.
You were right, 8:22.
That pole right in front of us, that thing's awful close to the trains, man. Wow.
Yeah.
If it leans that way a little bit more, the train's going to hit it. And it's going to hit my car.
In the crossings.
Because it's going to come this way.
Alright. Watch the gates come up.
That was a short train.
I'm gonna check the time. Don't move, Eddie. Don't move.
Yeah.
It is 8:24. Friday, September 6, 2024. Struthers train crossing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribers.